Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. I'm here with Thiago, who came in for his 1-year post-op follow-up. And how are you doing?
I'm doing great. I like my new look. I like it.
So it's been 1 year. How quickly did you first start noticing the hair grow? And from when you first came in here a year ago to where you are today, let's hear what your experience has been.
I noticed like after 3 months, 3 months and a half, I noticed. And then 6 months was more hair, and then 8 months was more hair, and now a year now I see great results now.
And any problems with the scar? Any problems with any sensation on your scalp?
No, I don't even notice I have a scar because I really don't shave my head, so I'm never gonna see the scar anyway. So I should care less for that.
And for somebody who's interested in getting a hair transplant, what would you say to somebody who's thinking about it?
I think you should definitely do it because I used to have bangs up to here and then put hairspray, comb it over, and I hide it so well, but I hide it so well that when I got my surgery, nobody knew I was balding because I was hiding for years. I would get those bangs here and hide it with hairspray. Nobody knew I was bald. Nobody knew it. So when I had the surgery, everybody was like, "Why you did it? You always had hair." No, I never had hair. Just comb it over with hairspray. But now I can wear my hair short. I don't have to have bangs anymore. I like it, you know.
Well, Thiago, it's been a pleasure. I'm so happy. You look absolutely amazing. Again, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Thank you, Thiago, for coming back to the office for the year follow-up. You look amazing, and continue what you're doing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.